Dear friends, it is with great pleasure that we kickstart this week with another episode of Learning English with AI, in which we talk about a very interesting topic for learners of English, which is how to write a paragraph that focuses on comparing and contrasting two things. So, first of all, we need to know that before we start writing anything, we have to do what we call brainstorming. By that, I mean that we need to spend some time thinking, generating ideas, and organizing them. So suppose that we want to write a paragraph about Facebook and LinkedIn and the similarities and differences between them. Before we start, the most important thing is to draw a circle with arrows stemming from it, each referring to an idea. We can write, for example, profile picture. Yes, it is not a full sentence, but later we can work on it to either use it as a similarity or a difference. You may wonder, how can it be both? Simply, in both platforms, we are given the choice to add a profile picture.
I know! You probably wonder when did I change my outfit and leave to another studio, but never mind. It is AI world, my friends.
The difference lies in the type of picture we want to have. It is personal and informal in Facebook. However, in LinkedIn, it needs to be formal and professional. Once we are done with brainstorming, we need to ask ourselves, which strategy do we want to use while writing? Do we want the block method or point by point? In today's talk, I will use the latter, in which we tackle each point and highlight the similarity as well as the difference. To begin, don't forget to add a title to your paragraph since it is only one and you need to help the readers follow what you are saying. You need a title that is concise but to the point. A simple example is Similarities and Differences Between Facebook and LinkedIn. A more advanced one could be From Friends to Careers, How Facebook and LinkedIn Differ and Connect. The next thing you need to do is to come up with a topic sentence that helps readers know exactly what you want to do. If there are different points or aspects that you want to use while drawing comparisons, it is recommended here that you mention them briefly. For example, you can start your paragraph by saying, although Facebook and LinkedIn are both popular social media platforms that connect people online, they differ greatly in purpose, audience, content, and style of networking. Then, your role as a writer is to shed light on each by using transitions like to begin with, as for, when it comes to, according to, regarding, or any other transition. Here is an example. To begin with purpose, Facebook is mainly designed for social interaction and personal sharing, while LinkedIn focuses on professional networking and career development. You may ask, where is the similarity? The answer is simpler than you think. It is in having a purpose. Simple, right? Then you need to proceed with each other point you mentioned in your topic sentence. Due to time limitations, I am not going to be able to go over all 4 points, but I will just discuss another point and then move to the conclusion. So, the next point has to do with audience. We can say, regarding audience, Facebook is used by a wide range of people, including friends, families, and communities, whereas LinkedIn's users are mostly professionals, job seekers, and recruiters. Let's assume that we finished talking about all 4 points. The next and last step is to write a conclusion that summarizes everything but in a different way. By that, I mean that you need to paraphrase what you wrote, not copy it as is and rewrite it. Here is an example. To conclude, while both sites foster connection, they operate in very different spheres, one rooted in personal expression and social life, the other in professional growth and career building. With that, my friends, our session comes to an end. I hope that you enjoyed listening to me as much as I enjoyed preparing this to present it to you. Have a lovely day and see you in another episode of Learning Language with AI, either with me in English or with Mijem or with Maliha in Arabic. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in learning about anything else.